A photograph of President Mnangagwa awkwardly handling a firearm during a foreign ceremony in Belarus has gone viral, rekindling long-standing doubts about his liberation war credentials, particularly in light of recent remarks by a respected war veteran. Sanapenda mashukobranyo kwa panapa ine picha rukuda chinzi mutakambira unyika azinyatso kuprova kuti he has a fake military CV not by subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna zimba mumdanyo kwa mchenzi. The image, taken in what appears to be a ceremonial setting involving Russian officials, shows Mnangagwa gripping an assault rifle with his finger near the trigger in a crowded room of dignitaries. His posture and orientation of the weapon appears inconsistent with basic firearm safety protocols, raising both security concerns and symbolic questions about the legacy and claims to represent. Experts and veterans alike have pointed out three glaring violations of the standard firearm safety. Number 1, finger on the trigger. Basic error for the trained fighter. It breaks rule number 1 of the gun safety. Unclear muzzle direction. The barrel is not pointed towards the ground or a clear safe zone. Number 3, unvetted handling. There is no visual assurance the weapon was decommissioned or cleared. The ceremonial context doesn't negate the optics. In fact, for a head of state, especially one claiming liberation war credentials, such visuals and steps are symbolic red flags. Domashko arikon kopanapa anosimka sima reflex anonyazwa not aiwa arikuprova mashko anotagonwa critics wakaita sana Cde Geza and the likes antora chiti the Zimbabwean leader take a part in the liberation war. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti kudiwa msepo chitiko ichi kana comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu aiwa musaona subscribe or like pamwe chete on the bell icon.